You are looking at the most amazing reptile on planet Earth. Did you know that there are more than 2,000 species of alligators? Well, in this video, we will tell you 5 incredible alligator facts. So stay with us till the end to find out more. The first fact is that alligators have a really good memory. In order to find the nearest food, alligators have excellent spatial memory. They can remember where they found their last meal, and then return to that place again and again. Researchers used to think that only humans and some other higher-order mammals have good memories. However, recent studies show that American alligators also have great memories. Scientists put a radio transmitter on a group of alligators and then tracked their movements. It turned out that American alligators traveled considerable distances to get back to the exact spot where they had previously cached prey. This means that alligators can keep a mental map of the area they live in, which helps them to find food and avoid being hunted by remembering the best places to hunt and the best places to hide. The second fact is that alligators use tools. Yes, you heard that right. Alligators can use tools. But how do we know that? Well, scientists have seen American alligators using sticks to lure prey. Some alligators even carry a stick or leaf in their mouth like a fishing rod. Gators typically use sticks to stir up the water and make prey such as frogs and fish easier to catch. It's incredible to see these reptiles using objects from their environment to help them get food. Scientists are still trying to figure out exactly how alligators learn to use tools and whether they can pass this knowledge on to each other. But one thing is for sure, alligators are not just mindless killing machines. They're smart, resourceful creatures that are capable of using tools to help them survive. The third fact is that alligators can regulate their body temperature. When they need to warm up, they bask. When they need to cool down, they seek shade or even move to a different environment. In addition to sunning and shading, alligators can also use behavioral and physiological mechanisms to regulate their temperature. For example, they can pant, which helps to evaporate water from their skin and cool them down. They can also increase their metabolic rate, which generates heat. By using a combination of these mechanisms, alligators are able to maintain a stable body temperature even when the environment is hot or cold. This ability is essential for their survival since it allows them to be active predators and ambush prey. The fourth fact is that alligators can fast for a very long time. An alligator can go without food for several weeks or even months. Of course, this depends on many factors, such as the size of the alligator and the ambient temperature. In general, the warmer the temperature, the faster the alligator's metabolism, and the more food it needs. During the winter months, alligators don't eat much because their metabolism slows down. However, even during the summer, alligators can go for weeks without food if it's scarce. When prey is abundant, alligators will eat as much as they can, and then store the excess food in their livers. This allows them to survive for longer periods without eating. This is an incredible adaptation that helps alligators survive in environments where food is not always available. The fifth fact is that baby alligators can regulate their sex. It's true. The sex of baby alligators is determined by the temperature of the eggs. If the eggs are laid in warm nests, the temperature inside them rises, and this leads to the development of females. If the eggs are laid in cooler areas and the temperature inside the eggs is lower, then males are born. This means that alligators can control the sex of their offspring by choosing where to lay their eggs. Scientists believe that this ability may be an adaptation that helps alligators maintain genetic diversity. By producing both males and females, alligators are able to produce offspring with a variety of genetic combinations, which makes them more resilient to changes in the environment. This is an amazing adaptation that sets alligators apart from other reptiles. So now you know 5 amazing facts about alligators. We hope you enjoyed learning about these incredible creatures as much as we enjoyed sharing the information with you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.